What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk all things money, real estate, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. In today's video, we're going to be talking about money and entrepreneurship. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Anthony. I'm a 24-year-old entrepreneur / real estate investor. Today, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can start making passive income with $0. Number 1 is going to be affiliate marketing on social media. When trying to start affiliate marketing on social media, make sure you create great, high-quality content and isn't just random stuff that you put up. Take time to think about your content and how it can provide value to your audience, whether it be informative or entertainment. You also want to make sure that you are on multiple social media platforms. Try and be active on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, etc. The more platforms you are active on, the more exposure you have to people, which means you can get followers off of TikTok to follow you on Instagram to help build up your audience. Once your audience is large enough, businesses will start reaching out to you. They can set you up with links to their site, in which you earn a commission percentage based on the product price every time your link is used to purchase a product. Or they might even also send you products to promote. This is called brand deals. Brand deals typically pay you a flat fee and can pay you anywhere from $10 to $10,000 and up. Number 2 is start a blog. Starting a blog is by far one of the best things that you can do to start creating passive income without any capital. Not only can you earn money from the blog itself, but it's the perfect vessel to promote other strategies as well. Just like affiliate marketing through social media, before you can monetize your blog in any way, you'll need to build up an audience. This means making great blog posts that draw in organic traffic from Google and other search engines. When starting a blog, there are 3 important keys you need to consider. You need to do good keyword research for SEO, make your posts informative, educational, or entertaining, and make sure you are blogging about something that you are passionate about. If the passion is not there, you'll likely not be motivated to continue a couple months later and quit. With blogging, you can earn money through blog ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. If you guys are getting any value in this video, please do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe. Each and every one of you do so will help this channel out tremendously and help reach more people like yourself. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, hit that notification bell. I'll be posting 2 new videos every week. Thanks guys, let's get back to it. Number 3 is starting a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is like the video equivalent of a blog. Similar to writing a blog, it is also important to make content that you are passionate about. If not, you'll burn out and not be motivated to make any more videos. The first step is building an audience. You want to make high quality evergreen content that provides value to your audience. Evergreen content is content that will always be searchable and not die down like things that are hyped or trending. An example of evergreen content is how to make money online. There will always be people searching that up on YouTube even a year from now. An example of a trending or hyped video are stimulus check videos. Because after the pandemic dies down, it's likely that people are not going to be searching that up anymore. As for starting out, it's very possible to start a channel with no money. Phones nowadays have great camera quality and are more than enough to create good quality videos. I'm actually using my iPhone to record right now. With YouTube, you can make money through YouTube AdSense, which is the way YouTube pays you for putting ads on your videos, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. Number 4 is to sell digital products on Etsy. When looking to sell digital products on Etsy, make sure you do your market research. Market research basically means figuring out what's going on in the market right now. You want to get really familiar with what's there, what's missing, and how things are moving. Are people looking for products like yours? How much are they willing to pay? Can you do anything to differentiate from your competitors? Answering these questions is an essential part of doing your market research. You need to know that there's a market for selling your products before you invest a lot of time to create them. Read reviews on other products to see what people love and what people don't love, and use that to improve your product. Before you start sending people to your shop, complete your profile. You should tell them a bit about your story in the About section to help potential buyers learn about you and your products. Once you pick a shop name, it's time to start listing items. Be sure you are using strong keywords and plenty of details. You also want to use relevant tags and keywords to help people find your product on Etsy. Once your product is uploaded and ready, you need to market your product. Create social media accounts as well as an active email list that people can opt into so you can spread awareness for your brand and products. Allow people to get to know what your brand is, its main purpose, and what products you sell. Number 5 is going to be Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a business model in which Amazon prints on demand upon a customer ordering your product. Amazon allows you to upload a custom design and upload that design to a number of clothing tops such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, and much more. The great thing about this business model is you don't need any upfront capital to start. All you need is a great design. Merch by Amazon does, however, require you to apply and be accepted. You can't just go on their site and create an account. To market your designs, you need to advertise them on social media and try to rank and incorporate SEO on Amazon Marketplace. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. My goal is to give as much value as I can and make a bunch of content about money, real estate, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. If you guys have any questions or comments about these 5 ways of passive income, comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to also follow me on all the socials. Also, go ahead and click that notification bell if you want to be notified every time that I post a new video. I'll be posting 2 new videos every week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go get that money, and I'll see you in the next one.